Hello and welcome back to my channel Piggy's Pastries, where I show kids like you how to make yummy and delicious treats. Today we are going to be making a strawberry shortcake crumble. A crumble is a sweet baked dessert with a fruit flavor covered in a crumbly topping made from flour, butter, and sugar. So let's get started! This recipe is a 2 out of 5 on the difficulty scale. It involves using the oven, sharp cutting utensils, and a stand mixer. So make sure you ask an adult to help you with those steps. Here are the ingredients we will need for this recipe. For the shortbread topping, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 drops of soft pink gel food coloring, half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. For the strawberry filling, we need 10 cups of freshly frozen strawberries cut into quarters, a half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. And we will also need a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, a 3x9 baking dish, and parchment paper. We are going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees, so it will be ready when we need it. Next, we will be making the shortbread topping. Shortbread is a crumbly biscuit cookie. Start by whisking together the flour, sugar, and cornstarch in a small bowl. We will be using the stand mixer with the paddle attachment next. Put the butter in the stand mixer bowl and mix the butter on high speed for 4 minutes until it looks light and fluffy. About 2 minutes into mixing the butter, add the food coloring. I ended up using 4 drops of food coloring. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed and continue mixing for the remaining 2 minutes until light and fluffy. Now turn off the mixer and add the dry ingredients and the vanilla. Then turn the mixer back on to a low speed and mix until combined. It should have a crumbly texture like this. I ended up adding 6 more drops of food coloring. Now for the strawberry filling. This part is really easy. Cut 10 cups of fresh or frozen strawberries into quarters. To speed things up, I'm using this chopper. You can use a chopper too, or a kitchen knife. Remember to ask an adult for help with this part. In a large bowl, use a spatula to evenly coat the strawberries with the sugar and cornstarch. Add the vanilla bean paste and mix with the spatula to combine everything. Line a 13 by 9 baking dish with parchment paper. Pour the strawberry filling into the baking dish. Use the back of the spoon to spread the filling evenly at the bottom of the dish. Now crumble the shortbread topping over the filling. Bake for 20 minutes. Then once it's done, take it out and let it cool to room temperature. To garnish, we can add some whipped cream and a strawberry slice. My family ate all the whipped cream, so I just used strawberry slices. And here's the finished product. This looks great. When serving, the crumble will be a little drippy underneath the topping. Scoop it out with a large spoon because the filling will spill out. Yum, this has a great strawberry taste. I hope you all enjoy it. Thanks for baking with me at Piggy's Pastries. I'll see you soon with more delicious recipes. If you enjoyed baking with me, please like and subscribe.